Hello. Cool, comfortable living spaces like this are the result of months of hard work. Managing such complexity on Excel or paper can be frustrating. OpteriX workflow automation makes it easy. A management dashboard has all the answers. For deeper meaning, just click. Let's see how it works. This is the main business dashboard. It has been filtered for one customer. The top row presents key numbers such as area, calculated heat load, cost, etc. The second row presents the status of the ongoing work. Let us see what work was completed for ducting. We go here and click. From this report, we can see that ducting in the basement area has been completed. Double click to see the material used in this task. This information can now be used for generating running bills easily and accurately. On OpteriX, generating running bills is easy and reliable. Total billed and unbilled material is presented here. Just select the items you wish to bill and click. The running bill is ready. It can be customized to a format of your choice with your company logo, etc. Back to the dashboard, notice that the billed material has been placed in a separate box. This material still needs to be billed. Let us now review other aspects of this project. Total area of the project is shown here. Click to view detailed layout. Heat load has been calculated for all the rooms in this project. Double click to view detail of the calculation. Indoor units totaling 66 tons have been selected based on the heat load calculations. These indoor units have been divided into sets. Sometimes the sets are referred to as circuits. Based on the selection of indoor units and their grouping into sets or circuits, OpteriX software automatically selects the outdoor units. A detailed costing sheet is generated comprising the outdoor units, indoor units, plus low side items including labor and parts. Let's now switch from a management hat to an execution hat. This is the execution dashboard. This dashboard comes with a series of actions at the top, followed by procurement reports and then task management statistics. Finally, let's review the planning dashboard. This is where the new enquiries are entered, site details are updated, and heat load calculations are made where required. Let's take a look at how product selection is made and costing sheet generated. We'll start by picking a project, give the selection a name, and pick a suitable machine type such as this. We will include the heat load calculations in making the selection and hit save. Now we select the IDU type, model and quantity for the two rooms. Selection made. Now we are ready to save it. Hit next and that's it. Our costing sheet is generated including the ODU, indoor unit, labor and parts. It can be formatted suitably as per your requirements. Thank you for watching. If you find this relevant, please get in touch. We will customize the solution to make it work for your business.